While traditional brick homes take months of structural delays, unpredictable weather failures, and messy on-site construction, these high-tech wooden panels allow a luxury home to be fully erected in less than 24 hours. A complete load-bearing, weathered-in structure standing proud before the sun goes down. How is this structurally possible without sacrificing premium quality? The answer isn't faster manual labor, it's German standard automotive engineering applied directly to timber biology. Today, we look at how precision offsite prefabrication operates, counting down the core structural milestones that make this 24-hour marvel reality, including a hidden roof technology that changes self-building forever. Before a single crane arrives on a UK site, the entire house is already alive as a digital twin in a high-tech factory. Massive robotic CNC milling stations take sustainably sourced structural-grade timber and cut it with sub-millimeter precision. Every utility channel, every window opening, and every interlocking joint is carved automatically. Why does this matter to a property developer or self-builder? Because humans make mistakes. High-precision robotics do not. Traditional timber framing on-site suffers from warped studs and back cuts, leading to structural squeaks and settlement cracks later. In the factory environment, wood moisture content is perfectly regulated at 15%, stopping warp before it ever begins. This structural capability means an entire ground floor framework is engineered, fitted with internal structural membranes, and stacked onto a flatbed truck in mere hours, ready to fit like a perfect Lego set. This is where wood does something brick and concrete never could. We aren't just talking about raw wooden sticks, we are talking about closed panel technology. In the factory, while the walls are lying flat on automated assembly tables, specialized multi-tools inject high-density, eco-friendly wood fiber insulation directly into the core. Vapor-permeable membranes are sealed across the face, and internal plasterboard is applied. This means when the wall segment is lifted off the truck on-site, it isn't just a frame. It's a high-performance barrier with pre-installed triple-glazed windows and integrated electrical conduits. The direct benefit over concrete is massive. Instead of waiting weeks for mortar to dry, then weeks more for electricians to drill through solid blocks, these timber panels are dropped into place completely optimized. They offer instant structural strength and a premium luxury finish without the internal structural mess. Moving upward into the structural timeline, we hit the ground to first floor transition, the engineered floor cassette. Instead of traditional joists nailed one by one over several days, these are massive, pre-assembled floor panels lifted directly from the delivery truck by a single crane operator. These cassettes utilize ultra-strong engineered wood I-joists or metalweb K-joists. This specific engineering breakthrough allows a massive open-plan architectural spans without the need for heavy, expensive steel support columns. As the crane drops the cassette onto the freshly erected ground floor walls, custom-engineered interlocking steel brackets slide home with satisfying precision. Within exactly 45 minutes, a perfectly level, squeak-free, load-bearing working platform is established, allowing the assembly crew to instantly begin staging the next level of walls. But this is where wood does something steel and concrete never could, because the real magic happens when we analyze what prevents these ultra-fast homes from shifting over time. And the answer lies in a common building mistake most traditional UK developers make every single day. By early afternoon, the crane begins lifting the second tier of closed panel timber walls. To the untrained eye, it looks like a fragile house of cards. But mathematically, this engineered timber system behaves like a monolithic structural shell. The secret behind its immense structural confidence is the tension-tight engineering. High-tensile steel rods run vertically through pre-drilled channels in the timber walls, anchoring the roof layout straight down into the reinforced concrete foundations. While traditional masonry relies entirely on dead weight and gravity to stay stable, making it highly susceptible to foundation movement, modern timber framing uses structural flexibility and engineered tension. It resists high-velocity wind loads perfectly. For self-builders in the UK's harsh coastal regions, this means absolute certainty that their structure is airtight, incredibly rigid, and thermally sealed before nightfall. This is the ultimate milestone that completes the 24-hour structural sprint, the Smart Roof Cassette. In traditional building, framing a complex roof, felting it, batoning it, and tiling it takes up to 3 weeks of working at dangerous heights in unpredictable rain. The factory-built alternative, the entire roof structure is built in sections off-site, complete with integrated counter batoning, pre-fitted luxury insulation, and integrated solar tile tracks. When the crane lifts the massive pre-angled roof cassettes onto the top level wall frames, they lock together using self-aligning structural joints. The moment the final screw is driven home, the house is officially weathered in. The structure is entirely watertight, structurally sound, and completely sealed against the elements. This completely eliminates the nightmare of waterlogging and wetwood damage that plagues standard UK building sites. A luxury home completely realized from foundation to roofline, in a single rotation of the earth. Modern wood construction is no longer an alternative choice for eco-enthusiasts. It is officially the highest tier of predictable, high-performance luxury engineering available. By shifting the chaotic environment of a muddy construction site into a millimeter-accurate robotic factory, we eliminate human error, crush energy bills with flawless insulation seals, and hand self-builders a premium, structurally superior home in less than 24 hours. The old era of waiting months for wet brickwork to dry is officially dead. If you had to build your own dream home on UK soil, would you stick with traditional brick and mortar, or would you trust a factory-engineered 24-hour precision timber structure? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. If you want to see more deep dives into the futuristic engineering shaping our modern world, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. See you in the next video.